Before we start, this is not a traditional tiramisu recipe with ladyfingers and egg yolks. This is my twist on tiramisu, so I hope it doesn't offend anyone. Hello everyone, it's a day for tiramisu. All you need are sponge cake, mascarpone cheese, cream, chocolate, coffee, sugar, and cacao powder. About 3 deciliter of cream, .300 grams of mascarpone cheese. So the cream and cheese ratio reaches 1:1. In a bowl, mix your mascarpone cheese with cream. In this video, I dropped whole 500 grams of cheese by mistake, but reduced it to 300 grams afterwards. When the mixture forms, pour in 3/4 of sugar and mix it again. Slice sponge cake to fit your desired dish. Make strong coffee. I made mine with 100 ml of water and 1.5 teaspoons of coffee granules. Fit 1 sheet of sponge cake in a dish and wet it with coffee. Then pour the cream mixture on top. Grate chocolate, then repeat the stage. I didn't put coffee on my second layer of the cake since I am sensitive to caffeine. Sprinkle cacao powder on top to finish. And decorate it with your creativity. Tiramisu means pick me up in Italian, so I just did that. Buon appetito!